It's Mandy Mac. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Welcome back if you're returning. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of Morphe. Is it in the shot? So I finally received my Morphe package. I'm so excited because I live in Canada. We don't have Morphe in Canada. So yeah. Look at this eyelash. I can't with you today, so I'm not going to. Anyways, oh, by the way, if you watched my last video, I'll link it somewhere around there. I used Uwe hair volumizing spray. Oh my God. It smells so good, and my hair is like, I'm living. Hi. Okay, so unboxing. What could be in this little white box? Okay, why do I not know where to look? Okay, ready? All right, Morphe. Can you even see that? It is the Jaclyn Hill palette, Morphe by Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. Plural. There's Jaclyn Hill on the back. I'm so excited. So it comes in this white box, says the Vault at the top, and you got all this shiny craziness, and then Jaclyn Hill at the back, and it just gives a bio about why she made this one next to her Jaclyn Hill, the Jaclyn Hill palette. Yeah, we are going to open it. Like this. Ooh, so pretty. Okay, so pretty much the same as the outside packaging, but it's a hard cardboard case. And then you have your 4 palettes. You have Dark Magic, Ring the Alarm, Bling Boss, and Armed and Gorgeous. So I watched a couple reviews, and there's definitely a ghost in this house. I watched a couple reviews and unboxings and stuff before while it was being shipped here, because I live in Canada. We don't have a Morphe in Canada, so I had to get it online. And I learned a few things about them. So you have 4 palettes, and each one, I don't think you can see. Kind of. So right there is color. So that represents pretty much the basic color structure of that palette. So that one was like an orange one. And this is Armed and Gorgeous. They come with a little slip. Now, the difference between these and the old Jaclyn Hill palette is there's a mirror. And there's a mirror in every single one. So the old one, nothing. Message to her subscribers. But this new one comes with its plastic, which the old one did, and a mirror. So we'll block the mirror. We have our colors. Pretty. That is Armed and Dangerous. What are you doing here? Stop. Look at my roots. Isn't that embarrassing? Like, girl, get your act together. Anyways, next one has little purple dots on it. This is the Bling Boss. By the way, this is, if you watched my first swatching video, oh my God. Like, you guys don't even know. I am terrible at swatching unboxings, so don't hate, okay? Okay, this is gonna be terrible. This is, ooh, I really like this one. This is Armed and Dangerous. And each palette comes with 10 shades. The next one has what I want to assume is like a red. Focus. There we go. Like red sequins. And it's a bit darker. Ooh, I really like that one. This is called the Ring the Alarm palette. Ring the alarm. I've been through this too long, and I'll be damned if I see another chick on your arm. Beyonce.
Alrighty then.
And this one has, what is that? Like blues? I want to say like a teal. Dark Magic. I like this one too. I like blues. I like dark colors. Mysterious. This one I really like. So those are the 4 palettes. I'm going to make this really quick because otherwise it'll be like a 20-minute video if I do the swatches on this actual video. So I just wanted to unbox it for you guys so you see what to expect. And I'm definitely going to make a new video next week and it will have the swatches of all 4 palettes. It's great pigment. It's great quality. Like these are all Jaclyn Hill's. Like the pigment is out of this. I love it. I have nothing negative to say about the other palette either. So I'm living for it. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my unboxing of the Vault by Jaclyn Hill and Morphe. And if you are interested in seeing the swatches, stay tuned. Bye.